In the meetings team, there's a project for each meeting for each area of the business. We have the weekly alignment meeting, the marketing meeting, sales meeting, products and services meeting, operations meeting, finance meeting, and culture meeting. We abbreviated the first letter of each meeting team so that this indication of what project you're in when you're over in your My Task list is easier to read. You'll see what I'm talking about in a bit. Within each meeting, within each project that's for each meeting for each area of the business, we've created a standard format for the meetings. We have 3 different sections. We have standing topics, agenda for the meeting, and actions from the meeting. Please leave this basic meeting structure as it is so that we can all start running meetings in a consistent, organized way. As you progress in the next couple of weeks, getting your meeting flow dialed in, populate these meeting projects with the way that you will run your meeting by listing any standing topics that you want to be discussing on a week-to-week basis. Also, before you enter any meeting that you're running, create a crisp agenda for the meeting before you get onto the call so that you have a nice, organized workflow. Finally, when you're in the meeting, any action that comes up in that meeting, capture under Actions for Meeting section. And make sure again to assign that to a person. Let's do an example here. Okay, I've entered the task as it came up. I'm going to assign it to Caleb. And then also notice again with this flyout window to the right, you can set a due date. You can break that action into subtasks here. You can enter a tag for it. Again, we want to use these in a limited way. This can get pretty messy. You can attach anything that supports the project. You can say whether or not you're supporting this task. And also you can add in comments. So let's go ahead and delete that task, just again by hitting Tab, Delete.